Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ann. Today, we're talking about how you can start investing with just $500. Whether you're totally new to investing or looking for some simple tips, this video will break down some great options that can help you grow your money over time. Let's dive in. Why start investing with $500? So, why invest with just $500? Well, the truth is, you don't need a lot of money to get started. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Plus, investing is a smart way to put your money to work rather than just saving it in a bank account, where it's not growing much. 1. Emergency fund first. Asterisk scene. You holding a piggy bank or some cash, emphasizing security. Asterisk. Before you start investing, make sure you have a basic emergency fund in place. A good rule of thumb is to have at least $300 to $500 in savings for unexpected expenses. This is just a safety net to keep you from dipping into your investments in case of an emergency. 2. Stock market ETFs and index funds. Okay, now that you're ready to invest, let's talk about the stock market. If you're new, the best place to start is with ETFs, exchange traded fund index funds. These are baskets of stocks that track the overall market or specific sectors. They're low cost, diversified, and ideal for beginners. Example, let's say you put your $500 into an ETF like S&P 500 ETF. This ETF tracks the top 500 companies in the US over time. It tends to grow with the market, making it a solid long-term investment. You can start investing in these through platforms like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. 3. Robo-advisors. Another great option for beginners is using a robo-advisor. These are automated platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront that build and manage a diversified portfolio for you. You just answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest. Plus, they usually have low fees. 4. High-yield savings accountant. Now, if you're not ready to dive into the stock market yet, a high-yield savings account can still be a smart option. These accounts give you a better return than a regular savings account and are a low-risk way to grow your $500 while keeping it safe and liquid. 5. Micro-investing apps. Another cool option for beginners is micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. These apps let you start with just a few dollars and automatically invest spare change from your daily purchases. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, they'll round up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. 6. Invest in your knowledgeable. Finally, don't forget to invest in yourself. Books, online courses, and even YouTube videos like this one can help you become more financially literate. The more you know about investing, the better decisions you'll make in the future. So, to sum up, whether you're choosing ETFs, using a robo-advisor, or even just putting your money in a high-yield savings account, $500 is a great start. The key is to start now, stay consistent, and be patient as your investments grow over time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more financial tips like these. And if you have any questions about investing, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.